up, everybody? Good morning. My name is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome to the Wheelhouse. So it has been a while since I was able to pretty much do a premium technicals video for you, laying it out a little bit from the playbook. I'm going to go live. I'm going to color code it as I go. Blue means good. Red for me usually means short or not good. I put a bunch of stuff in here that qualifies on the middle time frame, but I'm not even going to mention the ticker until it qualifies as an ultra premium for you on YouTube, because I don't want you guys, listening to what I'm saying and then buying something that, may or may not be good on some time frames, but not have like the full blessing from the Wheelhouse. I want to give you like ultra premium and safe. I'm really big into safety. And by the way, I'm up about 12% on the year already, which is like 145 grand in the first week. My system pretty much is killing it. Guys, got to get in that Discord, go in there, and then just verify like with your email. You can chat with people, you can go in there, and then you can go to the announcements area and you can join the Jedi Challenge. And you can basically just join all that, and whoever has first place in that, which is free, whoever has first place in there, the end of the quarter is going to get 3 months of Jedi subscription, which will give you everything. You'll have all the open areas of the Discord, my trade alerts, you'll have one-on-one coaching with me, you'll have the courses. You'll have the Wheelhouse Wednesdays, you'll have everything, you'll have 3 months of that. And for people that are already upgraded, you're going to get 3 months taken off of your, either 3 months taken off of your monthly, or if you're annual, you'll have 3 months taken off the price of your annual next year. So no matter which way you slice it, I'm going to hook you up, whether you're upgraded or not upgraded. Just come in the Discord, go to announcements, sign in for the Jedi Challenge. Right now, I'm in first place by quite a lead. That lead is going to get pretty difficult. I will say I'm not allowing people to YOLO. If I see people put like $1 million on one thing and then, they're disqualified. I'll kick them out. So they're not going to be doing that, because that's not the way I teach. And if you had $1 million, you already know that you wouldn't put your $1 million that you had, all of it, on something blind. Don't do that. If you know who you are, there's 3 or 4 of you that think it's okay. That's not how I'm teaching. I want to teach safe. I want to teach strategic. I want to teach process, and I want to teach ways to really make money. And that's why I am way ahead of everybody in the challenge in the first week. If I was doing one-shot kills, sniper shots like that, you guys would never even be able to be close to me. I would be 4 or 5x a day if I was just sniper shooting. One shot, one kill on one. You guys it wouldn't even be a game. You guys would get smoked. So don't do that, or you'd be disqualified. This is your warning. This is your last warning. Okay, you got to do it the way I'm teaching you. Position size, use stop losses, use the technicals, use the fundamentals. Compartmentalize, qualify everything on all time frames. You do that, your portfolios will grow. I'm trying to teach you guys a system that is proven, a system that works and will make you a lot of money over time if you follow it, okay? If you start doing what you're already doing, well, why are you even on this channel? Because what you've been doing hasn't been working. So don't get into a simulator and just throw a whole $1 million on some random OTC penny stock. Because number one, I'm not going to reset it for you. So if you burn your account, you burn your account. Number two, if I see you doing that, you're out anyways. Because I'm not going to give you $10,000 or fly your family to Hawaii with my hard-earned money because you're disrespecting me and my process and my system. That's the last warning. Don't do it anymore, guys. Seriously. And you guys still are way behind me doing that. Like, now all you're doing is putting yourself at risk. So don't do that, guys. Okay, but look, you get 3 months. I'm going to hook you guys up. And if you do win that, you're going to have personal coaching with me. You're going to have the courses, and you're going to learn the system. And when you learn the system, you start having every opportunity in the world to print as much money as you want. That's the freaking cool thing. That's what I've been trying to tell you this whole time. You can literally make as much money as you want. anytime you want. You can do it from anywhere in the world. As long as the stock market's open and you have Wi-Fi, pretty much. So it's pretty cool. So look, today I'm going to give you some premium technicals. Now, we have the CPI report early in the morning. I'm filming this the night before. I'll release it in the morning. I don't know what will happen with the CPI report. I'm just going to give you a super brief synopsis. If we are above 7%, it's probably going to be a down day, okay? If we are below 7%, it's probably going to be an up day. Let's just keep it simple. You know, if it does go below, then that's going to be quite bullish because it's going to kind of mean like we're inflecting. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen. I can't say. I just don't know. But like I teach you on this channel and I teach you in the course, is definitely I have a plan either way. If it's going to be bullish, here's the list we're going to work from. If it's going to be bearish, I have a different list I'm going to work from. And there's 240 trading days in the stock market, and I plan to pretty much make money every single one of those days. And if I do lose money on some of those days, which I will because I'm a human and markets are crazy, but I won't lose a lot. And I'll just keep going up and up and up and up over the years. So yeah, I'm going to prove it to you guys until it kind of like clicks with you that either what you're doing has not been the right way, who you're listening to has no idea what they're talking about, or you know, maybe your wife will just come and be like, hey man, like you need change, like it's like either get out of the market or figure out how to do it right. Maybe listen to that guy and then get in there and start talking to people. Talk to me, I'll help you out. If you upgrade, you become a champion, possibly on the Jedi Council where you can see the future and print as much money as you want. But you got to take this stuff serious. You can't YOLO on a penny stock. You can't do that. That just upsets me when I see people do that. It to me is disrespect. After I show you and teach you a lifetime worth of work that I have gone through, and then you do that, that makes me want to just kick you out of the Discord as well as the simulator for the Jedi Challenge. Like it to me is disrespect. So do it and do it right. Do it the right way. Because if you're just trying to do it the wrong way, you are now a cancer to my entire team. And they may want to do that. And now I have to go and correct. I already have to correct all this stuff from all these other YouTubers and all this bad stuff on the media. I already have my work cut out for me. You know how many students have said, Chris, this YouTuber, I did exactly what he said and I lost a ton of money. This YouTuber, huge YouTubers. I have over 100 students that have literally told me how much money they've lost and exactly who the YouTubers are, and they're always the same two guys. I already have enough on my plate trying to fix all that, let alone have people come into the Jedi simulator, the challenge, and then still be doing it the wrong way, have one lucky day, and then lose everything the next day, which I've seen happen 3 times already. It's ridiculous. And that becomes a cancer to my entire system, and I don't want it. So you are now warned on that, okay? So I'm going to hook you up. I'm going to give you some premium technicals. All right? If it goes bullish tomorrow, which it might. And you know, a lot of you guys are going to be pretty stoked because there's some stuff in this list that has not ever been in the list since I've had a YouTube, even though it's been in my watch list forever and I've made a ton of money on a lot of these stocks. But I don't hold long term. Okay, I don't deal with the dips. I don't do all that. I buy at the bottom, I sell at the top. A couple percent from the bottom, a couple percent from the top. I make the whole move. That's how I do it. I crush it. I kill it. I'm proving it to everybody. That's how I do it. And you know, 90-95% of every move is pretty sick. Up and down, that's major compound. So I'm not gonna say the name of the ticker unless it qualifies by my standards for you, so you can write it down or put it in your watch list. I do want you to create a watch list in your system called Wheelhouse Watch List. That way you can see how they will go up. All right, so let's start here. DWAC is a go. You got a green light. Looks like it's about to run. NRGU, get it in that Wheelhouse watch list. Lucid. You can keep Lucid in there. Yeah, you can run Lucid. You can stay on Lucid. Keep your stop tight. There is a little indecision in some of the later time frames, but bullish, and you can run that. SM Energy. Oops, I said it before I looked. My bad. I already know this is bullish because I already own it. Well, let's just look. Yeah, SM Energy. Run with that. You got a lot of stuff getting close, guys. A lot of stuff is getting close. All right, Zim, ZIM, great company. Get it. That's in the wheelhouse, in the watch list. MP Materials, get it in your wheelhouse. You guys want to meet Stock Kitty? This is Stock Kitty. She sits here in the pre-market and watches all the stuff flashing on the screen. She loves to be around the computers and the flashing screens, and my other one likes to lay on my turntables, and we call him DJ Kitty. But we should call him. Do a little jailbreak today. He got outside. Okay, so let's look at this one. This one I think looks good. It's called Western Alliance Bank Corporation, and this one looks pretty premium. WAL, excuse me. By the way, I know Neo's not ready, but Neo, Riot, Affirm, PayPal, SoFi, a lot of these are actually already getting some strength to the 1 hour. So that's you got to start somewhere. Now, a lot can happen between the 1 hour and daily. In fact, it could take multiple days before it gets bullish to the daily, depending on if it goes sideways and up and down and how that works. But bullish to the 1 hour is pretty good. Okay. Oh, we might have one. Oh, we caught a fish. Taiwan Semiconductor. Looks good to me. Boeing's getting close. I don't like the resistance right here on the 200. Let's wait and see. Okay, ConocoPhillips. ConocoPhillips looks good for the wheelhouse. I love this stock right here. This is a money maker, guys. SIVB. Love this stock. Love it. Yep. SIVBs for the wheelhouse. DraftKings not ready, but it is bullish on the 1 hour. I already looked. BABA's getting closer, but it's not ready. A lot of the ones that we all like are getting close. They're just not quite there. Okay, what is this one? Matador Resources. This one is good to go. Oh, I think this is good too, Sony. I was looking at this earlier. Yeah, Sony is really close. We'll know by the morning. FAS, that's a go. That's for your wheelhouse. FANG, that's for your wheelhouse. I already know. PXD is for your wheelhouse. I already know. Cure is close. I don't think it's ready, if I recall. It's very close, though. Yeah, Cure is almost there. We'll know by tomorrow. Palantir's getting bullish on the 1 hour, but it's not ready to buy. It's not safe to buy yet. Okay. WFG. What is this? West Fraser Timber. That looks proper. Okay, Chevron is good to go. Good to go. I already know. Salesforce is bullish on the 1 hour, by the way. I saw that. So is Facebook, CrowdStrike. These are not ready though for you guys quite yet. Let's look at this one. No, not yet on that one. This is one I've done really well with. One of the Jedis gave me this. And I've run it several times now. UAN, okay? UAN. It's a good one. Apple, back to bullish on the 1 hour. Let's see. So we're good on the daily, it looks like. Apple, we're going to know tomorrow or today when you guys see this video. NVIDIA, let's see. No, not on video yet. Needs to show more strength. Remember, price doesn't matter, guys. It's not about buying the dip. No pro trader buys the dip. Right? You might buy a pullback technically off a pivot. Like, that's okay. That's different than buying the dip and averaging down, not knowing where a floor is. That's just like stupid. I'm just gonna tell you. They'll tell you it's stupid in every book if you just read some. They'll tell you what a bad idea that is. They'll tell you about firing your money manager. There's just nobody that says to do that. That's just some retail thing that's like going on YouTube. That's not like really like the way to do it. That's just like I don't know. That's just more of that cancer and poison out there. Basically, it's not the right way, guys. It's if you want to make 150 grand in the first 6 trading days of the year, you listen to the guy that's telling you like what's what, because those other guys are going down and down and down and down, and all they can say is, well, maybe I'll dollar cost average or buy the dip. All right, Goldman Sachs is very close. Cisco looks good. Cisco looks so good, I might want to get me some Cisco. Now, I think Pfizer is ready. Pfizer, we can put Pfizer in. It's strong enough. D.R. Horton? No. Not yet. Tesla? Tesla's close. It's not ready yet. It needs to really break out of this pattern. Then it's going to be good to go. It's going to have one of these big old ones. Bank of America is good. I already know. Antero Resources is good. I already know. Nikon. Yeah, I would say Micron. You could get in on that, and you're actually going to get in at a nice spot on that. Microsoft, is Microsoft coming back? Interesting. It looks to me when I just look at the indicators that it's actually not quite there, but getting there. Yeah, not there on the 4 hour, not there on the 1 hour. Closer though. All right, so we'll keep an eye on Microsoft because that's one that I like to run. I like to push heavy on Microsoft and they make like 17, 18 bucks and then just get out. Because I know how Microsoft works. I know how Tesla works. I know how NVIDIA, I know their rhythms. I know how their style. I know how they move. Like, I'm used to these AMDs and I'm just used to them. I've been doing it for a long time. And I just know the rhythm of Microsoft. So when it's ready to go, you just, throw 100 G's on that thing and boop, 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 make some money. Get out at the top and just wait for it to come back around, JP Morgan. JP Morgan looks good. It's bullish. Ethereum. Nope, not yet on Ethereum. Walmart, huh? Walmart looks like it is really close. So basically today, the day you're watching this, might be the day that Walmart actually gets to like a position of strength where we know we're in an uptrend and we're about to go that way. Okay, this is one of those stocks I really like a lot. I got out recently before all the damage. It's come down a lot, so it's probably, decent buy point from 370 to 323. This is a $50 move right here. So if I give you the blessing on this and you end up buying it, you're going to make some serious money because this is a winner. This is a cool stock right here. I love this stock. Not quite ready. It's close though. We're close. We're not. It's like Microsoft. We just gotta wait. Maybe it needs another day, and then we get that one later in the week. This one is good, and I've been making money with it. QB, CUBI. Okay, Thermo Fisher. Let's see. No, not yet. We'll get it when it comes back. Caterpillar does look good on all the frames that I want. I've been recommending Caterpillar since before this turned blue. And who loves it, baby? So SGH. Yeah, SGH is probably good. Johnson and Johnson. Johnson Johnson you could have. It's not perfect. HMIX. So it's got indecision going on, but it's leaning towards bullish for sure. DVAX, just stay away from that right now. Okay, and the last one that's bullish, ready for the wheelhouse watch list, is LABD. It's a triple bear. Okay, so when you buy this, you want to make sure you're going to make 3x your money on this. But when this goes up, that means that like biotech is going down. Okay, so you don't want to be buying this if biotech is a hot sector in the day. Okay, so look. Get in the Discord, okay? Go to the announcements. Get in the Jedi Challenge, okay? We're only 1 week in. You get $1 million in there. It's a margin account. You can go up and down, long and short. I'm going to post the results once a month. We're going to talk about them. Also, if you upgrade to Jedi, you will get the Wheelhouse Wednesdays. And this Wheelhouse Wednesday, I'm actually doing. What that is it's group trainings. I go really deep with everybody, and we do questions and answers, and I do a lot of technical analysis, and I teach everybody a lot of things. So really, really, really cool sessions. Well, this particular session that's coming up, we're going to be doing. I'm going to open live trades and give everybody the reasoning of why and how I entered and why I put my stop loss there, and walk everybody through it live. Okay. So that's tonight. And that takes place at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So get in the Discord. I always announce those Wheelhouse Wednesdays in there and tag everybody. And then like I said, if you upgrade, you get my trade alerts. The whole Elite and Jedi area opens up in the Discord. You get the one-on-one coaching with me, 10 hours of that. You get all the courses, which, I mean, I'm going ham on the courses. I was up till like 1:30 in the morning last night working on a course for like 6 hours last night. That's not even uploaded. I just uploaded like 2 or 3 more really cool courses in the last couple of days too. So I'm really going hard on that. I'm putting a lot into the courses. I love the fact that 90% of the people that paid for the monthly upgraded to the annual. I thought that was incredible. That told me like not to just go back to retirement or take a job in New York, at a prop trading firm or whatever. That told me, hey, you know what? You can still do this for these guys. You can still help these guys. You can teach them. They want to learn. They're coming in, and that's all I want. I don't want to waste my time. I don't need to waste my time. So that's why I get upset when people get in the simulator and then they just YOLO on some crap stock or even a good stock. It doesn't matter. It's the principle. You're not doing it correctly. Okay, pro traders aren't sizing that way. And if you are, then you are a super Yoda like me, and you can do that. You probably can do that on the low time frame under a 200, and you have all kinds of skills. But I guarantee you, from looking at hundreds of portfolios recently, I have not seen one portfolio that was set up right. I have not seen one portfolio that did not have a ton of damage in it. Okay, so I highly doubt that you're ready for that. Unless you're a super savage trader, and then hit me up anyways, because I like to hang out with people like that are nasty with it. We could trade, we could talk about trades and stuff, and I'd love to meet you, and that'd be cool, you know, like. But don't come in there and just YOLO, you know, like that's just ridiculous. Don't do that. I'll kick you out. Like, I don't care. I literally don't care. I'll kick you out straight up. Okay, let's end it on a positive note. Hope these premium technicals helped you, and I appreciate you watching to the end. If you don't know, my name is Chris, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.